If you've been dreaming about making those cinematic car movies that look like BMW or Porsche commercials, this video is perfect for you because I'll be sharing 7 valuable lessons that I've learned from talking to a full-time automotive director and editor. Whether it's your mindset that is holding you back, your lack of action that is stopping you from succeeding, or you're missing that creative network that pushes you forward, we've got you covered in this episode. We had a 2.5 hour long live conversation with Meraki Visualss inside the community together with our members. And if you want to be part of the next conversations, you're invited because we will be inviting some epic automotive creatives. So you might not want to miss this. Meraki Visualss shared all of his valuable insights on how to grow as a creator, how to stand out from the crowd, and he literally just spilled all the secret sauce. Literally all of it. Let's start with some straightforward advice. You will never be ready, so don't wait for that moment. You could spend the next 5 years learning every camera setting, you could watch every possible YouTube video, and you could still find reasons why you're not ready yet. This can refer to not be ready to film something or not ready to post something on social media. But here's what separates mediocre people from actual successful people. Meraki Visualss literally had no clue what he was doing when he started out with his videography journey. He just knew he wanted to learn automotive videography as soon as possible. So he went to every possible car meet. And he was filming everything in auto mode. He didn't even know the difference between shutter speed and aperture. He simply showed up and started shooting. He learned from practice and repetition. While everybody else is just sitting and waiting to get good, which just doesn't come from just watching YouTube videos, Meraki Visualss was just going out, practicing and learning by doing. On top of that, he was also documenting his journey and posting about it on social media. So he was not only growing his skills, but also his social media presence and his online influence. So that's a win-win-win. I kind of did the same thing. I went to look for a car meet every single weekend. I filmed there, I edit some stuff, and then usually I also sent some stuff to the organization. These people really appreciated it, and some of them came back to me with paid opportunities. So stop waiting for permission from some imaginary skill level that doesn't exist. Start messy, start imperfect, get uncomfortable, just start. The best day to start was 20 years ago, and the second best day is today. So stop waiting for one day and make today day one of your journey. That's why you should start before you are ready. And that brings us to the next valuable lesson that we have learned from the call with Meraki Visualss. It can be that you already tried a couple of things in the past that didn't really work out. Maybe you have tried photography in the past, maybe you've tried another type of business, maybe a YouTube channel, or maybe you already tried to film cars, but they ended up looking pretty crappy, thinking you have failed. But let me tell you something, failure doesn't exist. It's something that is made up by mediocre people who already gave up on their dreams and they want to pull down people who are trying to achieve their dreams. Entrepreneurs or business people, they see every failure as a lesson they have learned, because all the lessons that you have learned from these past failures, they will add to something bigger. Here's the perfect example. Before Meraki Visualss became the automotive videographer that he is today, he tried several things and failed. He tried car detailing, didn't work out. Window tinting, didn't work out. Graphic design, didn't work out. Music production, didn't work out. But today, looking back, he's very happy that he did all those things because it gives him the skills and the insights that he uses today as an automotive videographer. Detailing and tinting taught him about cars. Music production gave him advantages for sound design that he uses today. Graphic design gave him this artistic eye. Every failure from the past was actually just a step towards his success of today. That's why you should see failing as learning. The more you will fail, the more you will learn. Failing equals learning. Let's talk about the importance of a good location. You might be shooting in the same boring parking lot or empty streets as everybody else, and I'm also guilty. but it makes our videos boring because the location is just boring. We're competing with thousands of other creators who are also just shooting in these mediocre, boring locations. Meraki actively searches for good locations to film cars. He's looking for spots with interesting backgrounds, spots for example here in the parking lots where light creates strong shadows, or interesting patterns. And by now he has several spots that he knows that are just wow. With good positioning of the car, nice composition, as you can see right here, everything looks amazing. Dramatic shadows, everything is on point here. Well executed, well done. He said that one great location can make your videos 10 times better instantly. Location is key. And when Meraki goes to shoot, he always makes sure that he has his essential shots first. After some years of practice, you do have some specific shots that you always take every time you go to shoot. For the static shots, these are the push-in shots, orbit shots, rim shots for example. For the action shots, he takes the pedal shifters, manual shifts, foot to the pedal shots. For roller shots, those are the front quarter shots, flybys, lane switches. He makes sure that he gets his essential shots, so whatever would happen, he can always rely on the essentials. And after that, he just gets creative with other types of shots. And that's why you should always get your essential shots first. Next thing is what will separate you from the amateurs real quick. Everybody knows that sound is 50% of the whole experience. Your videos might look insane. If your audio is trash, your videos are meh at best. That's why Meraki Visualss does this like a pro. He records the exhaust and intake sound separately with a professional microphone, and then he layers it together with all sorts of sound effects. Hits when he switches between shots, swoosh sound effects for movement, and risers to build tension. He also uses an app called Krotos Studio to make his own custom background sound effects to make everything even better. It sounds like a lot, but when you actually do this, your videos will sound like movie trailers. Seriously, you should listen to his stuff with a good pair of headphones or a set of quality speakers. That's exactly why sound is 50% of your edit. People always say patience is a virtue, meaning that you need some patience over time to achieve your goals. And that is completely true if you are building a business, for example, a creative business or a video business. People tend to overestimate what they can do in one day or 1 week, but people always underestimate what they can do in 1 year, 5 years, or even 10 years. But when it comes down to learning and taking action, impatience is probably your superpower. This will easily separate you from 90% of all the other people. For example, Meraki gets an idea on Wednesday, he scripts it out on Thursday together with a shot list perhaps. On Friday, he's already shooting. No weeks, no months in between. No overthinking, no waiting for perfect conditions, just action. While other creators are still planning their perfect version, Meraki Visualss already filmed, edited, posted it on social media. He gets shit done. And on top of this, he attracts business because money loves speed. Speed beats perfection every single time. This is probably the most important one. If you're trying to learn everything on your own, it's gonna take you way longer and you're gonna make many mistakes along the way. This is called trial and error. But if you want to 10x your growth, the best way possible is to build your own network with like-minded people, people with the same or very similar goals. People you can talk with, you can share insights with, ideas. This is extremely valuable. Since I started my own journey, I always enjoyed to talk to other creatives in the space. It's like something magical, I cannot really explain it. It also brings you into that creator mindset or even that business mindset. And that's also why Meraki Visualss made his own Discord where he edits live, he shows what he's doing. He doesn't only show what he is doing, he's also learning from other people in the Discord server. And that's exactly what we are doing in the Car Video Academy, a community for automotive filmmakers who are ready for the next step and want to learn faster than everybody else. A place where we can all learn from each other and where we invite better automotive creators where we can learn from. A place where people pass job opportunities from one to another. And I have to say, honestly, since we launched this community, my own creator mindset has grown drastically, and my inspiration and motivation has never been higher, and there is still so much more to come. And that's exactly why your network equals your net worth. And if this community sounds fun to you, I'm happy to invite you by offering you a 7-day free trial. And if you like it, you can stay. Link in description. See you inside.